What's going on? It's your boy Machiavelli, and we are back again with another video. Today we are in downtown Toronto by Sugar Beach. They got a festival going on called Festival of Flavors. Got all different cultures out here. We're down here. We came here to test out the food. So let's get talking. Let me get one Oklahoma burger, single,
Yes,
please.
single. So do you like to have cheese in it?
Cheese on it?
Yeah.
What comes on it, period?
We have like the ham and
Yeah.
the cheese and the onion. That's
Ham, cheese, and onion?
Yeah.
No ham, but let me get cheese and onion.
Cheese and onion on only burger. So we don't put the patties?
Yeah.
You don't want patty?
Yeah, one patty.
Yeah, okay.
That's it. Number what?
Good.
CNC? Okay, so hold this until you call it?
I'm gonna hold it here.
Perfect.
I'm gonna call it.
Okay, perfect. They're looking good. All right, so we got a caramelized burger. This is what a burger is looking like. Come take a look. We got a caramelized onion, some cheese. It smells good. They had it on the grill. Oh shit. It's falling apart. All right, let me take a bite. All right, first off, it doesn't really have too much flavor to it. The bun is good. The burger is thin, well cooked. The salt, they could have had a little bit more salt on it. Cheese is hitting. However, like I said, I'm not really feeling the flavor like that. Take another bite. This burger here, what I'll give it, I'm gonna give it like a solid 6.5 out of 10. It's all right. Needs more flavor. The onions weren't really doing what I thought it would do. When I come back for this, I mean, we're at a festival, so I can't come back for this. But would I eat it again? I would eat it again, but I have to be in the area. They look barrel Filipino products. We gotta check this out for sure, 100%. I'm definitely grabbing that right there. Definitely grabbing that right there. Sorry. What's this called right here?
Locos empanada. It looks like this.
Okay. Yeah, this is the barrel Filipino product, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get one of those. Let me get one chicken barbecue, and then that's everything. How much are these going for?
$8.
$8. Okay, cool.
And it's
All
really
this
good
food
with
looks-
our vinegar, okay?
Okay, yeah. Okay, I'll definitely try it with that. Definitely. How much are you?
$13.
All right, so we got the barbecue chicken skewers. I'm liking that flavor, nice and sweet. Nice charcoal, good taste to it. The sauce is hitting. I'm gonna give this a solid 9.5 out of 10. It's fire. All right, the viral Filipino empanada. You'll see that. It's kind of cold. Nice and crispy. A little bit oily. Okay, I'll fuck with this. Flavor-wise, not too much flavor, but you can still taste the flavor, so I'm not gonna knock the flavor. It's all right. Let me get to the middle real quick. Hold on. Let me try with the sauce. Fuck. It's solid. My goose is like 8 out of 10. Never had nothing like this before, but it goes crazy.
So I'm going to come and join us at our studio. And we're excited to see who the winners are. Okay,
Yeah. You try it out, man. Yeah. My first time having it. yeah. All right, thank you. This is the Korean fried chicken. They call it the KFC. It comes with some fries. So they got like a limonade or something like that. A little bit of a coleslaw. All right, I'm gonna try it out. First thing, I'm gonna try the fries actually. I'm gonna try the fries. Fries are alright. Fries are alright. I get the fries like a 7 out of 10. Some good fries. Not too crispy, but they got a lot of flavor. So I'm not mad at it. Alright. Korean fried chicken now. Take a look at this. Guess what it's looking like? It's looking crazy. Take a bite. Wow. Korean fried chicken goes crazy. Loaded with flavor, perfectly seasoned, nice and juicy, cooked to perfection, and has a nice crispy crust. The sauce they got on this, A1. It's sweet, savory. Hold up, let me try with the lime. You get that. Okay, the lime does add a bit more flavor to it. It does take it up a notch. Would I rate this? I'm not gonna lie, this is fire. I'm gonna give it like a 9.5 out of 10. You can't go wrong with this. You're not gonna be mad at this. Straight together, 9.5 out of 10. Solid. I would definitely come back to this spot. How's it going? I want to grab the $5 VIP thing you guys got going on. What is it, steak?
A steak with cassava.
Okay. Let me get one of those, please. Thank you. Cool. Oh, you the VIP? Okay, there you go. Bam. What's up, man? All right. Thank you. All right. Pardon?
They give you.
Over here? Okay, perfect. All right, thank you.
Enjoy.
All right, can I get like a stick or something?
Here. In the plate.
In the plate? Oh, perfect. All right, thank you. Yeah. We got some steak and fries from this spot right here. They claim they have real Latin barbecue, but it looks like a Colombian spot. All right, my child wants to take some fries. Okay. Put some sriracha sauce on that. And for the sriracha sauce. Fries are minced, so I ain't gonna lie. Regular 3 out of 10. Steak. Steak is good. Nice and juicy. Tender. Nice flavor to it. I fuck with that. Hold up. Put some sriracha sauce in this. I could not open this. With the sriracha sauce. That's good. Steak. I use the steak like a 8.5 out of 10. It's fire. This here though, I don't really like this. I don't really fuck with this. But the steak, 8.5 out of 10. I fuck with it. My bad, probably for French fry, but it's actually cassava. This is my first time having cassava, so I don't really know how it's supposed to taste. But either way, 3.5 out of 10. Woo! Thank you, brother. Thank you. Oh my God. No, it's good still. I'm not really a pork guy, but the flavor is there still. It's fatty. Salty. 8 out of 10. Solid pork.
The legend right here. Amazing.
Put on the grill fresh jerk chicken on the grill.
The chicken quarter you're okay with?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's gonna be $10.
$10? Okay. Say no more. So it'll be credit?
What's your name?
George. Looking good, my brother. Looking good.
This time you said you can finish.
All right, so we're at Wadi's Jerk. I'm not even gonna lie, I had to wait like a good half an hour for this. It was fresh on the grill. Took half an hour. Ooh. Hold up. Look, it's bleeding. It's bleeding. Yo, big man. Can I grill it for a little bit more? All right. I'm not even gonna lie, the chicken was a little bit raw, but I ain't gonna violate them. I went to the chef, as you can see over there, and I told them, put it on the grill for a little bit more. So I let him put it on the grill for a little bit more, and then we're gonna try it out. All right, after that little issue, my boy came through. It's looking good. It's looking cooked. All right, take a bite of this right now. Tell you guys what it's hitting on. As you can see, it's nice and juicy. Smoky. Flavorful. Cooked to perfection now, at least. Nice crispiness to it. You can taste the grill. Got a smoky grill taste. Woo. Chicken is hot as fuck. Not gonna lie, they make some good jerk chicken. Outside the little incident we just had, fuck with the food. Would I rate this? Well, let me try the thigh. Let me try the thigh. Try the thigh. Solid. Jerk chicken gets a solid 8 out of 10. So good jerk chicken. Not the best I've had, but I mess with it. That's the VIP, right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. You guys have an actual store?
Yes.
Yes? Where is it located?
Broadview and Danforth.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh shit, did someone follow my food? Yeah. It's all good. All right, so we got the shawarma chicken on rice that they had over here at this halal spot. Take a bite of it. Tell you guys what it's popping. Wow. Chicken, perfectly grilled. Nice taste to it. The taste of grilled taste to it. The rice, this yellow rice right here, hitting. You got some beans in there. It's loaded with flavor. I'm not mad at this. I definitely eat this again. They have like a special sauce on this. I don't know what it is. I think it's like a pretty much shawarma sauce.
Garlic sauce.
It's not garlic sauce. Something else on it. And if I rate this, I'm gonna give this a solid 9 out of 10. Solid 9 out of 10. It's a solid meal. I eat this again.